No, no, there was internet issue, no. Anyways, they will get the video, okay. We were doing the chapter force and pressure, huh? And last class, I discussed about the moment of force, which is also called torque. And the moment of force means the turning effect of force. The body will be turned by applying a force perpendicular to it. But what kind of body? The body must be pivoted. When the body is pivoted and a force is applied perpendicular to it, the body starts turning. This turning effect is called moment of force. And if you remember, I had drawn the diagram also last time. The last time diagram was like this. We may be giving a force either this way or this way. There is a force given perpendicularly, and here is the pivoted point. This distance is supposed D, perpendicular distance is D. Then the moment of force that we write MOF, formula will be F into D, force into the perpendicular distance. That would be the formula, isn't it? Okay. Now, yeah. Moment of force formula is F into D. So in this formula, when moment of force is same, force and distance, they are inversely proportional. Last time I told you that, isn't it? Force and the distance are inversely proportional. That means we can write like this: moment of force by distance is equal to F. That means more the distance, less the force, less the distance, more the force. They are opposite to each other. If this distance is more, if this distance is more, force will be less. If the distance is less, then force will be more. They are direct inversely proportional. So last time I gave one question, I had discussed that we put a handle always at the edge of a door. Why? Why the handle is always placed at the edge of a door? Why handle we place somewhere here? Because we are going for the maximum distance. Hello? When the distance is maximum, we are putting the handle at the free end, at the maximum distance, at the free end of the door, so that when the distance is more, the amount of force required to produce turning effect in the door becomes less, as they are inversely proportional. Please write it down. This is an important question. Please write down. Question you write first, then I'll give the answer. Right? A handle is why a handle is provided why a handle is provided at the edge of a door, at the edge, edge, at the edge of a door. Why a handle is provided at the edge of a door, at the edge of a door. Okay, now write down the answer for this answer. Why a handle is provided at the edge of a door, that is your question. Now please write down the answer. Right. A handle is provided at the edge of the door. A handle is provided. A handle is provided at the edge of a door. At the edge of a door to reduce the amount of force. To reduce the amount of force. To reduce the amount of force required. To reduce the amount of force required to produce turning effect in the door. To reduce the amount of effort required to produce the turning effect in the door. Turning effect in the door. Since to reduce the amount of effort, to reduce the amount of effort to produce turning effect in the door, to produce turning effect in the door, since since larger the distance, since larger the distance, larger the distance between, larger the distance between the point of force, between the point of force and the point of pivot, and the point of pivot, point of pivot, comma, lesser is the effort, lesser is the effort, lesser is the force. Effort you write or force. Lesser is the force or effort. Anyone we can write. Effort means force only. And lesser is the force. Lesser is the force required. Okay. Larger is the distance. Larger. Larger is the force between the point of force and the point of pivot. Lesser is the force or effort required. Okay, the same answer we will write not only for this case, we write for the other situations also. You know, whenever we want to produce a turning effect, we always go for the maximum distance for the force to be applied. We apply the force at the maximum distance from the pivoted point, because maximum is the distance, minimum will be the force needed. Yeah. Okay, now we carry on. So, understood, no? No, that means wherever, yeah, whenever we want to produce turning effect, we go for the maximum distance for applying force. If the distance is maximum, the value of force required will be minimum. Okay, you must have seen which one is easier, you know, to turn a screw, which one is the screwdriver of long length or the screwdriver of a shorter length? Which one is easier? Yeah. Longer screwdriver is easier to turn the screw. With a less effort, we can turn the longer one. Because when the distance is long, the value of force required will be less. So that is the whole idea about it. Have you seen a jack? Jack for changing the tire of a car, they use a jack, and jack is a kind of screw only which is turned by a long handle. There is a long handle provided to turn the jack like this. You have seen it like this, long handle. Because when the distance is more, the value of force required will be less to turn the jack. And we can easily turn the jack and lift the entire car using jack in order to change the tire and all when it gets punctured. So, and then maximum distance and minimum force. You are going for maximum distance. Yeah. Just opposite. When the minimum, no, max. See, take it this way, maximum distance will have minimum force. Maximum distance will have minimum force. Minimum distance will have maximum, just opposite. So it is always easy to turn a body by applying the force at the minimum distance, because by doing so, the value of force becomes minimum. With the minimum force or with the minimum effort, we can produce turning effect in the body. M is moment, O means of force, moment of force. Moment of force, this is also called torque. Okay. That means whenever we want to produce turning, so we go for the maximum distance. It is easier if we go for the maximum distance to produce turning effectively. You must have seen a pliers. Have you seen a pliers? Pliers, that is class. At home we use pliers. Pliers are given a long handle there. Have you seen a long handle in the class? Pliers, isn't it? Long handle means, longer handle means the distance is large. This distance is large, then the value of force become less. With the less force, we can produce turning effect. Whichever things we want to turn using that pliers. So with the less effort or less force, we can do turning effect in that body. Okay, you got the idea. So this is the main idea about it. Now we'll be doing some numerical problems. Some numerical problems which is given on page number 51. You can check that. Page number 51. Solved examples. Page number 51 and question number 1. We are doing that. Question number 1, page 51. I read the question. Calculate the moment of force of 5 Newton. Calculate the moment of force of 5 Newton applied on a body at a distance of 20 centimeters from a pivoted point. This is quite simple questions. Force of 5 Newton is given at F value 5 Newton. Distance is given 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. You'll see the video later and then. Maybe due to the network issue. So you'll see the video later on. Please follow my voice. Right, F is equal to 5 Newton. D is equal to 20 centimeters. D means the distance. Distance is 20 centimeters. And you have to calculate moment of force. Write down below that moment of force. That means MOF you have to find. Moment of force formula is F into D. Force is 5. This is centimeter, will change in meter. Do you know how do we change in meters? Centimeter to meters? 20 divided by 100. We can cancel, answer is 1 by 5 meter. We like a 1 by 5 meter. We are changing in meter. That is into 1 by 5. 5 and 5 cancels, the answer is 1. And unit of this moment of force will be Newton meter, Nm. This answer. The answer is 1 Nm, 1 Newton meter. 1 Newton meter is the answer. Okay. All right. Now we are doing question number 2. Example number 2, question number 2 of the same page. I read the question once, it is there in your book also, from there only we are doing it. The moment of force of 10 Newton about a pivot is 5 Nm. Calculate the distance of force from the pivot. So we have to write the information first. Force of 10 Newton is given, force of 10 Newton and moment of force of the force of 10 Newton about a pivot is 5 Nm given, 5 Nm. You have to find the value of D, find the value of distance. Use the same formula, right? I have written page number here, 51. Moment of force formula is F into D. Moment of force value is given 5, write 5 here. F is given 10 and D is unknown. This 10 will come down, right? 5 by 10 is the value of D. Therefore, D value is coming 5 by 10, we divide, answer is coming 0.5 Newton meter. The value of distance is coming 0.5 Nm, 0.5 Newton meter. Okay? Yeah, wait. You don't have to tell, I have the time. Okay, now question number 3. See question number 3 now. Question number 3. We will be doing question number 3 now. Question number 3. Julie can open a 2-meter wide door by a minimum force of 2.5 Newton. Minimum force of 2.5 Newton. Find the moment of force needed to open the door. This time distance is given 2 meters and force is given 2.5 Newton. Question says minimum force, minimum force. Yes. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yes. Yeah, you're right. Please, thank you for the correction. Please, boys, make a correction here. Distance will be coming only in meters, 0.5 meters to right, please. You are very much correct. Yeah, I had overlooked it. So please make correction here. Distance where unit is meter, no, so 0.5 meter we will like. Yeah. Very good, boys. Good observation. Please point out. Distance is 2 meter given. Force is given 2.5 Newton, and this is the minimum force given. And we know that minimum force is always applied at the maximum distance, which at the edge of the door we are applying this one. So moment of force we have to find. Moment of force formula is F into D. Force is 2.5, distance is 2. We'll multiply, the answer is coming 5. Unit of moment of force is Newton meters, we'll add the Nm. This is answer for question number 3. Okay, now we'll do question number 4. No, we'll take some more time, 1 minute more. Question number 4 we are doing now. Question number 4. A boy opens a nut by applying a force of 150 Newton using a wrench of length 30 centimeters. Boy already opens a nut by applying a force of 150 Newton using a wrench of length 30 centimeters. If he wants to open it by a force of 50 Newton, what should be the length of the wrench? Okay, we'll check it. So first case, force is given 150 Newton. You can write here, and distance is given 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters will change in meters. That means 30 by 100. You can keep the answer 3 by 10 meters. Let us find how much is the moment of force required to turn the nut by using this wrench. Formula is F into D. Force is 150. D value will put 3 by 10. 0 will go. The answer is coming 45 Newton meters. This is the moment of force required to turn the nut. But now we are changing the wrench. We are using another kind of wrench. Then again use the formula now. Again write. Again for another wrench. You can write here another wrench. Moment of force is equal to force into distance. Moment of force value is given 45. Write 45 here. Now this time force is given 50. 50 here, we have to find the value of D. What should be the length of that wrench? It will come 45 by 50 is equal to D. Cancel it. You get, here I am doing it. 5 by 10 is the value of D. Sorry, 9 by 10. 5 9s are, 5 10s are. Therefore, the value of D is coming 0.9 meters. So what should be the length of that wrench required? 0.9 meters. You write no answer no. Therefore, 0.9 meter is same as 90 centimeters. Therefore, length of another wrench required is equal to 0.9 meter or 90 centimeter. We are changing in centimeters. They multiply by 100. The answer will come 90 centimeter. That's the answer. Okay. Yeah, bye. Vishal Kumar, just stay here for a while. Huh? Vishal Kumar. Hello, Vishal. Is Vishal there? Vishal? Uh, okay. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, you finish it. You finish it. Or you see the video also, no? You can copy it from the video also. Video you will get, no? You can see it from the video. Video automatically is coming, no? In the app. Previous video also you got, no? For previous classes. All the classes video will come to you automatically. Yeah, in the app only. There is recording out there, no? You can see there, recording. So there only you press, you see the live, what class recording is there. Whatever classes has been held, no? All the recordings are there. No. Equal. For a floating body, weight and buoyant force are equal. Yeah, equal. Both of them are equal. Okay? No need to write anything. Just add equal, that will do. Or you can add weight is equal to the buoyant force. You can add in any order. Recording is there, yeah. Boys, have you got the recording there? Just see, recording is there, no? Recording is there, fresh recording. Huh? Teach Mint app, have you seen there? Where you joined me, no? In that app. Recording is there or not? See the? Alright, you press that class, no? Which class you are? Just press that class. Yeah. You press that class. You have to copy in your copy, yes. Press the class. Have you pressed the class? Recording is there or not? And recording and sending in the group also, and it is there in the school website also. Same class recording you will be having, even in the group and in the huh? Yeah, recording is there, and all the classes recording are there available with you. It will come to you automatically. Okay. Thank you then. Thank you. Huh?